Looking to unhide chats on WhatsApp? It's super easy. In this video, I'll show you how to bring back hidden chats on your Android phone. Whether you've hidden too many chats or someone else did it while using your phone, knowing how to unhide them is really helpful. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp, then scroll to the top and you will see this option called Archived or Locked Chats. If you can't find Archived option from here, then tap the three-line icon in the top right corner, then tap on Settings. Find the Chats option from here and tap on it. Scroll down and toggle on Keep Chats Archived. This will stop the archive feature from hiding your chat on the WhatsApp menu. So if you now go back to your chats menu, you will see the archived option as well. So if you tap on archived, you should find your hidden chats. Simply tap and hold on to the chat you want to unhide, and tap the unarchive or the upwards arrow button in the top. This will unhide your chat on the spot. But in case you still can't find the chat you're looking for, it's most likely inside the locked chats. So tap on locked chats, enter your biometrics or PIN code to open it. Now if you see the chat you want to unhide, open it. Tap the profile name of the chat in the top. Scroll down, toggle off chat lock. Enter your biometrics or PIN code once again. After that, go back to your chat menu. You'll see that chat right on your main panel. And that's it, folks. Now you know how to unhide chats on WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe for more tips like this.